welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I am here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And we have had some viewer requests recently for some more information about water-soluble oils. We have done a video about water-soluble oils, but it's been about a year or more. But we have some specific questions that we're going to answer today about some of the little idiosyncrasies that you may not be aware of. One of them is toxicity. One of the kind of misnomers about water-soluble oils comes from the fact that it was marketed as a less toxic option than conventional oil paint. And the reason is solely because water-soluble oils allow you to clean up your paint and your brushes and all that kind of stuff without the use of harsh chemical solvents like turpentine or terpenoid. The great part about the cleanup is that you can use warm soap and water to clean your brushes and your palette and all that kind of good stuff. So easy cleanup. But that's not where the toxicity part comes in. Because the pigment that is used in conventional oil or acrylic or anything is the same pigment that is in water-soluble oil, you will still have toxic pigments present in water-soluble oils like cadmiums or cobalt. Because cobalt blue for water-soluble oil is still cobalt blue for a conventional oil. The only difference there is the binder, not the pigment itself. So that area of toxicity, we're talking about that, gets a little confusing for people. And the other is mixability. Can I mix my existing conventional oils with my new water-soluble oils? And the answer is yes. Ding, ding, ding. Yes, you can. The only area that you get into there is that they are no longer water soluble. And it can't be cleaned up with just soap and water anymore. You have to go back to your turpentine or mineral spirits in order to clean those up. But there is that added convenience where if you don't want to go directly into a whole set of just water solubles, you can still incorporate some of your old tried and true favorite colors from your conventional oil sets. And then lastly, we want to talk about drying time. We've had several questions about drying time. I can tell you from experience, because my husband is an oil painter, we have found that in the kind of semi-created environment that we live in during the winter months where the heat's on all the time and you have that extra dry air, water-soluble oils will dry just a little bit faster. We found just in a couple of like 2 to 3 months versus 6 months for it to be, you know, tacky dry and able to be easily moved around. So water-soluble oils do dry just a little bit quicker than a standard conventional oil in given environments. Now, if you're in a humid climate like Florida or something like that, we don't find that necessarily to be true. I hope this answers your questions. If you do have any other questions about anything art stuff related, please let us know. Send those questions on and we'll be happy to answer them for you. But take a look at some water-soluble oils. They are really, really convenient and very easy to use and a whole lot of fun. So enjoy.